Hey everyone, this video will show you how to clip in the Diva Divine partial wig. So let's get started. So this is how you will receive the extensions. It's packed just like this. The instructions are clearly written at the back. This is the partial wig with 1 weft and 6 clips. These are 100% human hair clip-in extensions, so you can straighten it, curl it and safely use your heated tools on it. So this is how your hair extensions are going to look. These are really nice and thick from top to bottom. This is the partial wig with 1 weft and 6 clips, and I'm in the number 4 and these will blend in beautifully into my hair. Just a closer look at the extensions. These are really full and great to add instant mega volume and length. So this is how your hair extensions are going to look from the back. They have 6 really good quality clips. 9 wefts are interlinked to form a honeycomb pattern on the back of the unit, which allows for easy blending with your own natural hair. So all you need to do is take these to your hairdresser and ask them to simply pass sections of hair through the opening so that the hair blends in even better. Or you can simply attach them in just the way I'm going to show you. You can place them right at the crown or just go slightly lower but not lower than that. All you need to do is open the clips one by gently pressing them on the sides. Unclip all the 6 clips for best results and they are ready to be clipped in. Now part a section out right at the crown like this and clip the rest away. Lightly just tease a small section just at the root so that the clips have a better pace to hold on to. Then take your extensions behind and place them flat on the head. Move the clips around gently and press them in. Clip them in gently one by one. Also remember to clip the lower 2 clips in for best results, as the partial wig will hold on to the hair much better. Release the rest of the hair and the extensions just blend into the hair so naturally. I love the fact that all the Diva Divine hair extensions are so perfectly colored that they blend into my colored hair so beautifully. And that's the amount of volume and length it adds to my hair. And here you can easily see the amount of mega volume and length these have added to my hair from top to bottom. And these are perfect if you're on the go and want instant thickness and length. You just have to clip them in so easily at the crown and you're ready to go. These beautiful hair extensions can be purchased online or in a Diva Divine boutique in Delhi or Mumbai. For more information, visit divadivinehair.co.in.